Good evening. Welcome back. Thank you for coming. Update. The printer's working. Check it out. I printed a test cube. See, everything looks okay. Even the top didn't turn out too bad. But I haven't measured it, and I think the numbers. Let's close. Let's close so you guys can see. And let's see top to bottom. That's close too. No, the thing is the bottom part didn't stick well enough to the bed, and that's fine. It's not heated or anything, so I need to add glue, and just regular stick glue works well enough. You just put a light coat on it, and then when the first layer gets put down, it sticks to it, and it keeps the base, or it keeps the print from molding up or when it cools down. And I've been printing a lot of these guys for battery holders. So that's the good news. The bad news is I printed out another part, and I didn't put enough glue. So you'll see, let go of it. You'll see, where are you? There you are. If it's this part, kind of lift up a little bit. You see how the end here? It kind of curls upward, but it's not an important part. This side is the important part. This side, it'll be okay. It might make it a little crazy, but it shouldn't affect it too much. It shouldn't affect the performance at all. So that's good news. So this will print out now. I'll print out one more before I head to bed. It's already 3 a.m. I'll print out one more before I head, or in the middle of the night after my alarm goes off. And we need to take out the plastic the support. See, they have a little support on the inside. It's not meant to stay there. It's meant to be broken out. So you use a tool or whatever, and you just pop them out. And depending on the filament and everything, they usually just pop right out. See? And you have to do it to the whole thing, which isn't too much work, but it is something I have to do before I can mount them. So I'll print this one, and it's about 67% done. I'll print out one more, and then hopefully tomorrow I can ride to work if it's not cold or raining. So there's a lot of ifs, but the good news is it's printing how it should be. It took a lot of TLC, but I'm getting better at it. Every single time it jams up or something happens, I find a quick way to fix it. And I'm probably not going to show you guys because each tronxy, I guess, is different. But I can give you tips if you ever have questions about that. So that's the good news. Print that out today. We'll have one more tomorrow. And today's snack is, actually I have two snacks. One is ice cream because I'm going to move. But this is what I wanted to show you today. These are Odango. There's anime, there's story, there's movie. They all have these sticky balls or sticky rice balls on a stick. And this one is dipped in caramel. And you can see the caramel just oozing off the bottom. It's so... There's no way something covered in caramel can be bad. And these are cheap, actually. They're for... I think these were like... this were a little price. This was like... They had 3 of them in the pack. And the pack cost me about $2. So it's considerably cheap. And they're so good. They're filling because it's made out of sticky rice, so it fills you up pretty well. It goes best with tea, but I enjoy them by themselves. So I recommend them if you ever see the open flames ones are better. This is guaranteed to make you gain weight, not because of the sugar, but because of the rice. They're so effing good. My God. I don't think I could stop even if I wanted to. Man, they're fantastic. Try them out. tomorrow we'll have this ready, and then if anybody's curious, I'll show you how I unclogged it so many times. I cleaned the base plate too. It was really sticky from all the layers you had put on before. I'm excited, and I started looking into a skateboard. I actually got I don't know what's regular, but I think a normal skateboard, and I'm gonna see what I can do with that as far as converting it to electric. I'll still be putting parts for the bike, and I'll still ride the bike because it's more comfortable. But I would like something to carry on the subway with me, that when I get to the location I can just ride around on it, just to be cool and lazy. Thank you for joining me. Again, I welcome any comments and questions. If you have anything you'd like to see this weekend, we might go out and try something new. At least go try to eat something different than the usual. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Oh, one thing, that cat might be my neighbor's cat. So I'm actually putting effort in trying to find it. Everywhere I go, I'm taking a more scenic route, trying to see if the cat from yesterday's wanted picture or the lost picture is if I can find it. I'll chase down the cat if I have to. I feel bad about it if it's spending the night out in the cold. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good night.